of this wiring loom. The connections are all dirty and I would like to clean them all. I'm trying to think of a good way to do this. Online it's recommended to try vinegar and salt and steep them. So I'm going to give this a try since this is all I have at hand. One empty jar of the vinegar which was left on the onions, and I've got some rock salt. Not sure if this will work, but I think it's worth a try. So first thing to do is get the vinegar, and what you need to do is put lots of salt in there until the salt stops dissolving. So I'll do that first. That's that done. So what I need to do now is get the electrical connection and sit it in the jar for 5 minutes. I will need to look for a connection. I'll do this one here. Get it in focus. And I'll just stick this one in just as a trial. Okay, it's been sitting in here for about 10 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. That looks not bad. Just trying them with the connectors on to see what happens, as it's not going to be in the car for a long time as yet. We'll give that 10 minutes. Well, that seemed to work. Right, that's us done all the wires now. I have also cleaned all the connections and all the terminals with warm water and a toothbrush, just to get any excess rock salt off of the terminals and give them a good rinse out. The next thing I need to do is I have got an electrical grease, and basically give each one a coating of electrical grease, and that should help stop any corrosion in the future. I hope you've liked this video. Please like and share, and thank you for watching.